In this video, I am going to complete the book exercises of lesson number 24, the conjunction. So everybody open 111 page. Your A question is, pick out the conjunctions in the following sentences. I did it because he told me to. There are two sentences. I did it, he told me to. And it is joined with because. So because is your conjunction word. I used to have a cook, a gardener and a driver. So there are three sentences which are joined with and. I used to have a cook, I used to have a gardener, I used to have a driver. So I used to have a cook, a gardener and a driver, and is a conjunction word. Have you any uncles or aunts? Have you any uncle? Have you any aunt? It is joined with a. It is a small house, yet it is spacious. It is a small house, a sentence, it is spacious, second sentence. You join with yet. Maybe the house is small, but it is very spacious. Complete it before you forget. Complete it, otherwise you will forget. So, join with before. They can stay for the weekend. They like. They can stay for the weekend if they like. So, if there is the conjunction sentence. Conjunction word. Had he left a message before he went? Before is your conjunction word. Her brother will not be there, but her sister might. But is your conjunction word. Ask her whether she wishes to buy or not. Whether or. So your conjunction words are whether or. They will assist you. You ask them. Two sentences. They will assist you if you ask them. So if is your conjunction word. Turn to page 112. Your B question is, fill in the blanks with the suitable conjunctions. Select words from the help list. And, but, or, if so. Children were making a noise, but I was not disturbed. She will get the award if she deserves it. The phone rang and I replied it. He is probably at lunch or in a meeting. There were not enough beds, so we had to sleep on the floor. Your C question is, join the following pairs of sentences together by means of suitable conjunctions. Brother is at home, sister is at home. Means both the things are in positive. Same idea. Both are at home. So join with and. Brother and sister are at home. I am tall, my brother is short. Two different ideas. I am tall, but my brother is short. So you better underline conjunction words also. They lost the match, they tried their best. They lost the match although they tried their best. Mohan cannot swim, Sohan cannot swim. Mohan and Sohan cannot swim. You should improve your spoken English. You should improve your vocabulary. You should improve not only your spoken English but also your vocabulary. Not only but also. Your D question, frame sentences containing the conjunctions given in the box. Till, when, although, yet, before. Students, here I have made my own sentences. In exam, you can make your own sentences, but grammatically it should be correct. I will wait here till he comes back. Till. He had climbed many trees when he was a boy. Second sentence with when. Although, sentence with although. Although he speaks seldom, he says meaningful words. He is overweight, yet he continues to eat a lot. Sentence with yet. Before I reached the station, the train had left. Sentence with before. Joy drill. Let's do this. Your E question. Fill in the blanks with proper conjunctions. Looking at the picture. Frogs can hop, but they cannot fly. They like to watch soap operas and films on TV. Speak louder so that I can hear you. I missed the meeting because I was late. It was expensive, but they gave me a huge amount. Ben is happy because he won the race. Anita wanted to buy some medicine, so she went to a pharmacy. Paul has flu, yet he is going to work. With this, I finish your conjunction lesson. So complete your book and copy work neatly and correctly. In your English 1 copy, you are going to write down the definition of conjunction with examples and complete your book work neatly and correctly. Students, learn your syllabus side by side. Thank you. That's all for today. God bless you all.